guys, good morning. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. If it's night you're able to watch this video, I hope you are having a beautiful night, whatever you get to watch this video. And welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I know it has been a long time I haven't done any cooking video, but your girl is here and I'm going to prepare a nice, simple and easy dish for you. Today I am going to make some authentic Jamaican steamed fish. So that's what I will be doing right now. But a big welcome to my channel. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to the family, welcome to the beautiful family. So let us start our cooking. I go ahead and I prep all my ingredients, I do everything. So we're gonna just start the cooking. But how is everybody? How is life? I am still here, as I said, not posting as I want to. However, I am here and I'm gonna make this easy and delicious Jamaican dish. So let's get going. Alright, so now my pot is getting all heated. So I am going to add my butter, but over here I do have my vegetables. So I have some pumpkins, I have my onion, thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, and here I have some corn as well as some Irish potato, and we have our fish. Look at these fish. Oh my god, they're snapper. Look at them. It's a big snapper, so I just cut them in slices. So I'm using 3 pieces today, right? But trust me, these fish, they are looking lovely. So my pot is there all heating up. So now I'm going to start, and as you can see over here, guys, I have all the ingredients. So let me just cut a small piece of butter here. I like to use butter, right? Yeah, so get the butter all melting, right? So the butter is melting there, and after all, we are going to add, so there's the butter. Right, so now the butter is all melted. So I'm going to go ahead now and add my vegetables. What I'm going to do, these are all the vegetables that I am going to use for now. I'm not going to add the sweet pepper because the sweet pepper is pretty easy to cook. Alright. So I'm just going to let this simmer down. Alright, let that simmer down. Let's cover our pot here. Alright, so that's the vegetable cooking there. Also, I'm just going to see what's happening here with the vegetable. Alright, so I'm going to turn my flame down. Alright, so guys, when I have over here, I have my coconut milk, and I did add some seasoning to this. Alright, so we're just going to pour out everything in here. I have some Maggi fish seasoning and the coconut milk. Alright, so we're going to allow that to come to a boil before we add our fish. Alright, but there you go. You can see that this is coming on very nice. Let's get some more seasoning in here. Alright, I'm gonna add some more of this seasoning. There we go. There we go. Just give it a nice stir here. If you can smell the aroma, guys, let's turn on our flame a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Alright. right, so we're gonna put our fish in a few. All right, I am going to add my fish. Look at that. Look at these fish. They're so beautiful. Yes. So we have our fish here. Yeah, man. I love fish head. Yeah, this is my favorite part of the fish. All right. So let's go. We're gonna get all the vegetables on top here. Allow the fish to cover another sauce. Yeah, guys, trust me, if you can smell the aroma here. All right, let's cover everything here. Trust me, guys. So I'm gonna leave this. Yeah, man, let our fish cook. Yeah, and I will get back to you in a little while. Yeah, so just let us simmer down. All right, guys, so that's what is popping at the moment, and you can see. Let me turn my flame down. Let me turn it down. All right, so steamed fish is almost ready. It's simmering down. Now I am going to add the rest of my seasoning, which is the sweet pepper and some chopped scallion. All right, as I said, the only thing is missing from this right now is some water crackers. I do have water crackers, but I have the cinnamon one, which I'm not gonna add it. If it's the original one, then. And I am out of okra. Apart from that, guys, this is so delicious. I can just taste it. The scent, it's just amazing. The aroma from the garlic, the scallion, the thyme, the scotch bonnet. It's infused my kitchen. That's what is popping. Let me give you a closer shot. So that's it. That's it. That's our steamed fish. Jamaican steamed fish. Yes, guys. So I think we are done here with our steamed fish. Yes, we're done here. Everything is well cooked. Fish is not overcooked. Look at the sauce. You can see how thick and nice my sauce is. Vegetable is cooked. Everything is cooked. So we're gonna turn our flame off, right? But guys, trust me, it smells amazing. This is absolutely amazing dish. And I have my rice and peas going over there. So in a minute or two, dinner will be served. We're gonna have this with some rice and peas, as I said, and a green salad, and that's it. That's it. But look at that, guys. Let me give you a closer shot. Yeah, so steamed fish is ready. Steamed fish is ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. Alright, guys, so this is the end result of our nice steamed fish. You can see how delicious that is. Look at that. So that's the end result of our nice Jamaican steamed fish. Smelling really amazing, and I know it even tastes better. Yeah, so guys, remember, check out this video and go ahead now and try this delicious dish. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and always give a thumbs up. God bless you, walk good, and I catch you in another Sarah's House of Flavor video. Walk good, peace, love.